Okay, with the recent time, OnePlus is doing some crazy stuff with software part for OnePlus smartphones. Today, OnePlus have started rolling out OxygenOS 16 November update, and it brings some amazing and most requested features from OnePlus fans. Currently, this update is now rolling out for OnePlus 15, but when other devices like OnePlus 12 series, 11 series and Nord series will receive the November update, these features will be included. So today in this video, let's talk about the new add-ons with the November update of OxygenOS 16. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So here I have my OnePlus 15, and first of all, it's a huge update guys. Let me show you the software information by going to about section, and now you can see here OxygenOS version is 16.0.1. So the November build for other devices like OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 13 series will be 16.0.1. Tapping on version, you can take a look at the version 16.0.1.303, and Android security patch is of 1st November 2025. I received the OT update on my device and the update size was quite huge, which is 2.14 GB. And if you take a look at the change logs, we have so many changes done with this latest update. And by the way guys, I've done the detailed review of OnePlus 15. Such videos takes a lot of time and efforts, so make sure to watch it out. I'll put up the link in the description below. So now let's talk about all the changes one by one. So if you take a look at the first change, which says unlock a new level of seamless experience, improve the speed of launching apps from home screen. And it's not only about home screen guys. Now in the entire UI, the opening and closing animation of applications or switching between different apps have been improved a lot. They are now a lot faster compared to previous builds. Even in the app drawer, you'll feel that smoothness, and the same thing you'll feel if you are opening or closing any application from the app drawer too. So yes, animation improvements can be seriously felt while using the device. I mean the OnePlus 15 with the latest November update. Then under delight and details, we were asking for this change like ability to resize the clock. Finally, OnePlus have done this. So if I go back and open Flux theme section, tap on all Flux. So here now you can resize the clocks. With the OxygenOS themes, you can't resize the clock. But if you go to the other themes, for example, let's take this one. And here if I slide down, you can see I can increase the size of clock. But I hope OnePlus gives an ability to remove the widget section, because we can't remove this widget section, and due to which we cannot increase the size, I mean towards the right hand side. This is the minimum size which we can keep, and this is the maximum size. If you want to keep it in between, that can also be done. And there are few themes in which you cannot resize. One is this one, first one. Then the live clock also we can't resize, and never settle themes doesn't require that. Then we have this chase the light. Here we can resize the clock. And again, as I told you guys, if they give us the ability to remove the widget section, we can also increase the size towards the right hand side. Then if you take a look at these themes, here also we do have the option to increase or decrease the size. So in most of the themes you can resize the clock now. Then the other change where you can customize widget name, making the home screen more personalized and unique. So yes guys, now you can rename the widgets. So here we have the battery widget. You can see we got an option of rename. If I show you here on this device, which is OnePlus 13, if I long press, we don't get the resize option. We only have one option to remove the widget. But now with the November update, you can also rename the widgets. So let me give it a try with the third party widget. So I'll select a widget from Amazon. I'll add it on the home screen. And now let's long press. So here also we do have the option to rename the widget. So it's not only stock widgets can be renamed, even the third party widgets can be renamed. After that, another change what they have done, now you can drag widgets on the home screen onto system or other widgets of the same size. So here they are talking about the third party widgets which can now be added as stacked widgets. Previously which was not possible. So here you can see I have a OnePlus stock widget. If I get a third party widget, so for example let's get the Amazon widget itself. I'll just decrease the size of it and make it 2x2. Now if I try to place this widget on the battery widget, you can see I cannot stack these widgets. I mean the stock widgets and the third party widgets. But that's not the case here on the latest build. Now if you decrease the size, now if you hold and drop this widget on the battery widget, you can easily have them as stacked widgets. And the same thing goes with the 2x2, or if you want, you can also use the 4x4 widgets like the third party and the stock one. So let me get a third party 4x4 widget. So here we have the third party widget of Telegram. If I long press on it and drop it on the stock widget, and with 4x2 size also you can add third party widgets now. After that, few changes they have done in the Photos application. First one, it says you can now use auto straightening when cropping and rotating portrait and architectural images in the photos. So let's open up the Photos application here. I'll open up a photo. So this is the photo. Tapping on edit, tapping on crop. Now you'll see a new option. So once you tap on auto, the device will analyze the photo and it will straighten it. There you can see. And if you still want to make some changes, you can use the manual tools. To make things easy, OnePlus have given an option to auto straightening. And this new add-on I personally liked, which says now you can set a video on your device as a ringtone. So you can set a video ringtone by going to settings, under sounds and vibration. If you scroll down under ringtone, you can see we have an option of video ringtone, and you can set a video ringtone of maximum 20 seconds. It doesn't matter if it's a song or if it's your own video, and audio also gets played from that particular video which you select. So for example, here we have a 34-second video. I'll select this video and apply it. You can see maximum length is 20 seconds. If I tap on apply and if I call from this number, you will hear the audio from that particular video. So this way you can also set any video song on your device. Then they have done some improvements related to virus scanning speed in the phone manager application. So that's a system change. And later on they have improved the ring fingerprint animation on the lock screen by incorporating a glowing effect for a more aesthetically pleasing appearance. And yes guys, you can see a noticeable change. The newer fingerprint animation looks a lot better. Then talking about the last change, which is related to network connection, which says they have added a new interface for AI Link Boost. And this change can be found in the settings. So if I go to settings, mobile network, here we have got a new option called Smart Link Network Engine, where you get to see the optimizations like browsing lag optimization, browsing lag time reduced, which is 0 minutes till now, missed call prevented, that also 0, gaming lag time reduced, that also 0. So basically you can view the number of network optimization reduced in lags and more. You also have things like AI mobile network switcher, AI network boost, and AI super Wi-Fi booster. So some AI add-ons OnePlus is doing to provide a stable network in the places where we have difficulties in the network. So guys, these are all the changes, and let me know, did you guys like the changes made by OnePlus on the November update, and which is that one change which you guys wanted on your device? As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.